And let me tell you what is echo. Echo is not a function, it's a construct. So you can understand the variable by watching the dollar sign with text. Um, let's see the output of this code. First of all, I have to save it and then go to the, yeah, I already saw it, that's why it shows. So my first PHP script, I love PHP, the sum of 10 and 20 is 30. Okay, so how did I write the sentences like with three line? Let's see. You have to put a BR on it, then you can break the line with 3 lines. Like here is here is the first one, the second one, and here is the last one. One more thing is echo or PHP is not case sensitive. So see, let me show you. There are 3 types of echo. You can see the first one, uppercase, lowercase, and these are uppercase and lowercase, both are mixed. So let's see the output. You can see all of these are same. You can, the same output will show, and it's not case sensitive. These are not case sensitive, and you can see here is the first one is uppercase, second one lowercase, and third one both are mixed. So let's see the output. The output will not be changed, and everything is same. So let's see. Oh, see? Oh, I forgot to put the beer here. So let's put the beer. So yeah, here is the output, and it's called syntax. By using these 2 comments, we can ignore parts of a code line. So after watching the code, you can see the plus 15. This output will be disappear. So let's see the output. Control S, and so the output is not showing. Let's see what's going on. So oh yeah, so I have to write the p tag inside PHP. So let's fix it. And see, here you go. I put the PHP here, and yeah, I fixed it. So it's easy to know that the output of variable like x, y, or anything, you can see the output in here like this. I mean echo, and let's see the output again. You know the echo was x, and here is the answer. So echo $x, and here is the output 10. This code line using these comments and ignore this part, and 5 plus 5 equal 10. Same everywhere. The text output here, PHP, I love $text, that means I love PHP. That's the way we can put PHP variables, and we can use the context. And let's do another example, like PHP data types. There are random types of data types like string, integer, float, boolean, array, object, null, resource. So let's do the first one, string. String is a text type, data type. Integer is like number 1, 2, 3, 4, like this. And float is kind of point, like 5.5, 6.5, this type of things. Boolean, that means true false, like if it's true then it will be 1, and if it's 0 then it will be false. And here is array. So an array stores multiple values, like see here is an example, Volvo, BMW, like this. And we will do some example more soon. And the next one is PHP object type, and the another one is null, that means 0. The output will be always like nothing, null. Here is see the hello world, although the dollar sign and the variable shows, but by putting null, that's why the output will be 0, that means null. Let's do the example. So first of all we will do the string type. So here is the code, and let's see the output. So yeah, let's here is the output. So there are 12 character, and same here, 12 character. Let's see an interesting thing. If I put lots of space here, see I put a lot, and let's save it and see the output. There are 44. If you put lots of spaces here, the string will be increase, and if you put like limited, like here is 1, 2, 3, 5, and here is 5, the exclamatory sign here, and the space total 12. But though I put it here like lots of dots, that's why the output is also increased, like 44. Let's remove the dots. So yeah, we learned how to do string, and let's move on to the integer part. And here is the output of integer. See, 100. The output of x equal to 100, and variable dump $x. The output is 100. Yeah, that's all. And here is the float example. Let's save it. Save. And output, yeah, see, float 10.5. And the next one is boolean. So here is the true. If I let me show you another thing. Suppose I put here 1, and let's see what will be the output. See, integer 1 and boolean is false because I did not uh, write it properly. Yeah, it's correct, but I have to write here that if it's false or not, or true. And another one is null. So let's see the output of it. See, the before one, boolean true, boolean false, and it's null, because null, that means 0, nothing, and the variable dump will be same, x equal to null, that's why the output will be null. And here is the PHP method. The ABS function returns the absolute positive value of a number. And let's do this example. Equal absolute and minus 6.7. Let's see the output. See, 6.7. It's a positive value of a number, that's why, though there is a minus, but the output here is a, like, the minus is disappeared or like dismissed, because absolute, that means it's positive. And we will do some square math, and let's save it. Here is the output. Sorry, I forgot to put a beer here, that's why. Let's look. Here is the output, 6.7. Here is a minus, the absolute output is plus 6.7, and if it's plus, it will show the same. And here is a square, some square example. So here is 64. If you put 8 square, that means 8 into 8 equal 64, right? So that's why they put it, or the output will be 8. And the second one is 0. 0 square, that means 0. 1 square, 1, 1, 1. And 9, so the 9 will be 3, that means 3 square, 3 into 3, yeah, 9. So that's the way we can do math, square math, by PHP. These are some of the PHP examples. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.